Ayooooo! Welcome to the show. We back in the kitchen with another episode of
applesauce.
Yep, applesauce. No, I'm cooking, I guess. And I got Javy. Say hi.
Hey.
We're gonna make some stir fry. Can you say stir fry?
Stir fry.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Say
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we back. You want to dress your nana?
More pigs. I want grandma.
Okay. Alright, mama.
Up.
Okay, you guys. So I got my niecey Pooh. She's enjoying her banana. You like bananas, yeah? They good, I know. But today, you guys, we're making a vegan stir fry. Really just vegetables.
Stir fry.
Yes. And we're just okay. And on the cutting board. It's fine. It's totally fine.
I'm fine.
It's fine. So what we got here, you guys, is I got 2 heads of green cabbage. I got some tofu, and then I also have a broccoli stir fry melody. Yes. Say broccoli stir fry melody. Now say
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, she did it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna make that.
You make that?
Yeah. Okay. So I already got the first layer peeled off, you guys. I'm just gonna chop this up. We're not gonna record that, but okay. So we're gonna record that, you guys. And you wanna hold it? You wanna smell it? How it smell? Do you got a smell? It smell good? Okay. Well, cool. We're gonna eat that. You wanna finish your nana? You wanna wait till later? Do you wanna eat that or you wanna wait till later? Oh no, not now, not now. I will eat it when we gotta cut it and cook it. Can we cook it first? Okay.
I want to cook it too.
You wanna cook it too? All right, we're gonna cook it, baby. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, you guys. So we got it all the way cut up. Okay. We got it cut up.
Cut up.
And we about to cut up the tofu.
Go cut the tofu.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut that up. And we're gonna sear it.
Like that.
We're gonna sear it. So can you say we're gonna sear it?
Go sear it and go across it.
And we're gonna cook it. Okay. Did you have fun at Gigi party last night? Well, it's Saturday. Was it fun?
That's why I did.
Yeah, you dancing? You dance with cousin? Y'all have fun?
I'm jumping.
No jumping on that. Be careful, okay? You 5? And kisses? No kisses? I can't have no kisses. No kisses? Fine. I get some later. Can I get some later? No, she too busy with this. She too busy with this banana, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got all of the materials.
No, you got it, serious?
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
We got it in the pot.
I got it in the pot.
We got it cooking.
I got it cooking.
And smelling really good, right?
Make it what?
So
So I got a pickle like this.
say avocado.
Avocado. I got avocado. I go cook it. Go cut it.
You know, our auntie will cut it. You want to eat some? Okay. Well, after that.
Yeah, I'll go cut it too.
Okay, auntie help you cut it. Okay.
Do you want to cut it? I want to hold it.
You hold it with auntie. All right. Hold on. Cut it like this. We turn it. Cut it like that. Turn it. Cut it again. Turn it. It's got some brown in it. Say, oh no!
I know.
Good job. All right.
Boy, I'll go cut the salad.
We're gonna cut the salad.
I'll go cut the salad.
We're gonna cut the salad.
And she does cut that.
Okay.
You go cut it.
Cut what?
Salad. I go cut salad.
Okay, we're gonna put this inside of the oven. I mean, not the oven. We're gonna put this on top of the stove. And we're gonna cook it.
Yeah, okay.
You excited?
Exciting.
Get 5. All right, Mama. So tell me about your puppy. How was Cartier?
I know, a color good.
He's good?
Mm-hmm.
Did he eat his food?
Mm-hmm.
He's a good dog or he's a bad dog?
A bad dog.
He's a bad dog.
Mm-hmm.
Why he a bad dog?
Because a dog is bad dog.
Do he eat your food?
Mm-hmm.
No, he don't. Does he eat your food?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That why he's bad?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You don't like sharing your food?
Mm-hmm.
No.
A dog you want big friends.
He's your best friend?
Uh-huh.
My dog's my best friend too. Hey, that's my dog.
That's my dog.
That's my dog.
Huh?
Is my dog?
No, that's my dog.
I don't have a dog.
No.
We can't share?
Uh-uh.
No.
No, I'll share.
I can keep him sometimes.
Uh-huh.
It's okay if I keep him sometimes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. Is that okay?
This is a chicken doggy. A dog is a 2. The dog is a 2. The doggy is a bad boy doggy. Oh no! A dog's a bad doggy? Oh my goodness.
My goodness too, baby. My goodness too. We don't like bad dogs, huh?
Hmm?
We don't like bad dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A dog is not poop like this.
Oh, he be pooping.
Hmm.
Oh, I see.
Hey, no dog is pooping the bathroom and no one will poop at the house today.
He did poop in my house.
Mm-hmm.
It was stinky, huh?
Was it dicky?
It was stinky. Well, Vinny cleaned that up. Her mama. Say hi, mama.
Hey, Mama.
Say mwah.
Mm.
Mhm.
Hey, girls. Go and cut the rice. Go see your rice.
You got the rice in the bowl, right? Okay, you wanna wash it with me? We're gonna use warm water. Just some brown rice, you guys. So this should be fun. Okay, let's see your hands. I got you. Let me roll up your sleeves. Let me roll up your sleeves. You gotta get a little dirty. You gonna get a little dirty.
Daddy?
Just a little. Just we don't like to get a lot of dirty. You ready? Wash your rice. Wash your rice. Wash your rice. Okay, you do it. Let me see. What's it feel like? Does it feel weird?
I don't feel weird.
Or does it feel pretty cool?
Pretty cool.
Pretty
Pretty cool.
Okay, Mama. Is our rice clean? Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on the stove now, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little vegan butter in it, okay? Drop it. Can you say vegan butter? Can you tell the people? Say vegan butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Put it on.
Oh, okay.
Water.
Okay.
Don't put it
Ah,
on.
hold on, let me wash your hands. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Put your hands in there.
Wash.
Say I'm Chef Javy with the pie.
You were made it once.
No, you.
You do it.
Hold me, Javy. Hold on, T. Hold me. Okay, I'm better. Oh, thank you. Hello, Peppa Pig. What's my name? I thought it was Bob. Am I still Bob? My elephant Bob?
No.
I'm just elephant now?
No.
What's my name?
And they have a red ball.
Okay, elephant Bob. Hello, Mr. Peppa Pig.
Hey.
Are you tickling? Oh, 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 oh. I like your tickles. That's funny. Oh, you're running away. All right, you guys. So as you saw in the thumbnail,
Okay.
you want to try it first? Let me see.
Yeah.
Need some help? Let me help. You want some broccoli? Oh, go ahead. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
She's enjoying the rice. Let's see if she gets some vegetables. Let me help. Let me help. You gotta eat it all together. It's good all together. Now to help. Like this.
No.
I know.
No, I can't want any vegetables.
Yeah. You help me cook all the vegetables in. She's definitely making a mess. All right, you guys. So is it yummy, Javy? Okay, you guys. So it's been another episode of I'm Cooking, I guess. I have my special guest, little baby Javy. And so we're just gonna chill and eat our stir fry, you guys. So yeah, she's enjoying it. Until next time, you guys. Stay blessed. Peace. Say peace.